Hey, good morning, friends. This is Gaurav Kolita. Hope everyone is doing well. So, friends, today we'll discuss an interesting topic, that is the difference between marketing and selling. Okay, so let us check it out. What are the differences between marketing and selling? So, here's the differences between marketing and selling. So, first we'll discuss the basis, then marketing, and then selling, and then we will explain the same. Okay. The first basis is focus. So under marketing, here it is written as marketing is customer oriented. Goods or services are produced as per the need of customers. And under selling, it is written as selling is producer / seller oriented. Goods and services are produced as per the need of. So we will understand this with an interesting assumption. Okay. So suppose first we will go to the selling part. So suppose in one particular place there is only one beauty salon. So since there is only one beauty salon, then all the people of that area who want to cut their hair, they are totally dependent on the barber or the service provider of the beauty salon. In that case, what the service provider or the barber will do? He will provide 2 or 3 hair cutting styles, and then he may charge any price for cutting hairs because the people are dependent on him to cut their hair and there is no competition. The barber, he is enjoying monopoly. So you see, the barber, he will basically focus on providing or selling more and more services and the pricing and the variety of hair cutting styles, everything will be determined by the producer or by the barber himself. So this is called selling, where there is less competition or no competition. Then the seller or the producer, they may do whatever they want in the market because they are enjoying monopoly. Okay, we'll continue with the assumption. Suppose in that particular area now 3 or 4 another barber shops are open, another beauty salons are open. So once 3 or 4 another beauty salons are opens, then the first beauty salon, they will face competition. Yes, they will face competition and their market share will be divided. Now earlier you see people, they were having no choice. They were simply dependent on one beauty salon that was available there. But now there are many beauty salons and the people who want to cut their hair, they may go to any beauty salon. So in that case, the previous barber or the first beauty salon owner, what he will do? Now he will try to focus the need of customers, and keeping in view to the need of customers, what he will do? He will attach 5 or 6 hair cutting styles, as well as he will fix the price of cutting the hair as per the convenience of customers. So you see, once competition starts, the previous seller or the previous barber or the previous service provider, the situation compel him to fulfill the need of customers or to identify the need of customers or to satisfy the customers because he is facing competition. So this is the difference between marketing and selling. Under marketing, customers' interests are given consideration, and under selling, seller's interest or producer's interest are given due concentration. Okay, this is the first difference. Now we will go to the next difference, that is wide versus narrow. So you see, marketing is a wide concept. It includes many activities. Yes, marketing is a wide concept which include the activities of firstly market research, then production, then pricing, then promotion, then distribution or selling and distribution, then after sales service. All these activities are integrated in marketing. Okay, so that's why it is called a wide concept which include many activities. But you see, selling, it is only a part of marketing. That's why selling is a narrow concept and it is a part of marketing. It is written here. I hope it is clear. Now we will move to the next difference, that is beginning. So you see, marketing starts before production. How marketing starts before production? You see, in marketing, customers are given interest or due concentration, and that's why it is the duty of the marketer to know the requirement of customers, and knowing of the requirement of customers are done by doing market survey or market research. So how market survey can be done? Market survey can be done by way of providing questionnaire to the customers, by way of making interview with the customers, or by way of observing the customers in the market regarding what they are purchasing or what they are preferring for. So it is done to a sample of customers, and based on the judgment or based on the conclusion that are drawn from that survey, the marketers, they try to identify the need of customers. So that's why it is called that marketing starts before production through market survey. But yes, selling, it is obviously starts after production, because first the producer, he will produce the products, and once the products are being produced, then such produced products are sold in the market. So selling starts after production and marketing starts before production. Now we will discuss the next three differences, that is return. So you see, marketing aims at earning profit by satisfying customer need or want. Customers are given prime consideration than profit. And you see, selling aims at earning profit by producing more and selling more goods and services. Profit is given prime consideration than customer. Okay, so we will discuss it. So here we will take the example of mobile network providing companies or internet network providing companies in India. So you see, the Airtel and the Reliance Jio, these two companies are there which are giving more consideration or more concentration on customers' need than profit. So you know about Reliance Jio. Initially they started their operation by providing 4G network services in India at a very low cost. Okay, so that's why very soon the Jio, they become a market leader. Similarly, the Airtel company, they first launched 4G network in India, keeping in view to the need of customers. So that's why both the Reliance Jio and Airtel, these two companies are having a good market position in the telecom network services or any internet network services in India. But if you compare this Reliance Jio and Airtel company with some other companies like Aircel or like Vodafone, you see these companies, they are basically giving more focus on profit rather than considering customers' need, and that's why you see their market position is also not good. They are, even Aircel, it is out of the market. Why? Because they are giving more consideration on what? Profit rather than customers' need. So yes, the marketers, they always try to find out the need of customers, and they believe that if customers' needs are satisfied, then they can survive and they can expand their business in the long run. But the sellers, they feel that they are enjoying a good position in the market, and that's why they will try to sell maximum with maximum profitability, and they are giving less consideration or secondary consideration on customers' need. So I hope it is cleared. Now we'll discuss the next one, that is perspective. So you see, marketing is a long-term perspective and selling is a short-term perspective. So here I will give you regarding selling is a short-term perspective, I will give you one example, that is the example of Nokia company. So you see, Nokia company, it was a very famous mobile or cell phone company in India, and it was having almost more than 50% market share. But what happened? The Nokia cell phone making company, they were once unable to identify the customer's requirement, and that's why the company, they was unable to provide dual SIM services to the mobile handsets, number one, and number two, they use Microsoft as their operating system for smartphones, which was not user friendly. So you see that Nokia company, which earlier had 50% market share or more than 50% market share, the same company, they were out of the market. Why? Because they were unable to identify the exact customer's requirement. But in case of, if you take the example of Samsung, you see the Samsung, they are constantly providing their cell phones keeping in view to the need of customers. Regarding smartphones, Samsung introduced Android as the operating system, which was user friendly. So still the Samsung, they are having a good market position in the cell phone making industries in India. Yes, Nokia company, they have also started their business again, but once they were out of the market. So you can say that the Nokia company, they were having a short-term perspective because they were unable to fulfill the need of customers during that time. And you can say that Samsung, the Korean Samsung company, they are having a long-term perspective, and that's why still they are enjoying a good position in the cell phone market in India. Okay, the next one, the last one, that is research and development. You see, the marketers or marketing and their marketing, more focus on research and developments are made, and in selling, less focus on research and developments are made. So you see, with the changing of income, with the changing of technology, with the changing of lifestyle of people, customers needs are changing continuously, and that's why it is the duty of the marketers to make constant research and develop some new products. Keeping in view to that, some companies like Bajaj, they are making research and development to launch electric cars in India. Similarly, the Airtel company, they are making research and development to launch 5G network in India. Similarly, the food delivery apps or services like Swiggy and Zomato, they are making research and development to provide delivery of food items through drone. Okay, so these are the research and development which are done by the marketers nowadays to fulfill customers' need. But in case of selling, we such kind of research and developments basically do not take place. So that's why ultimately we can say that in the current situation, marketing is more fruitful as compared to selling concept, and those who are able to identify customers need, those who are able to produce products and services as per customers need, they can only survive in the long run. And those who basically focus on profit rather than giving concentration on customer, they may not survive in the market for long run. So friends, these are the differences between marketing and selling. I hope it is clear to everyone. If you like my classes, then please subscribe the channel and please share the channel. Thank you.